Hello students, good evening to everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening. Sir, we haven't take probability yet.
Yeah, I'll do that. No worries. Okay. After this, I'm going to start that one. Okay. Right. Guys, let's start chapter number 3, linear equation. Okay. So today, let's start with the introduction. As I mentioned, even though it's a crash course, we'll start from the basics. Okay. So what is linear equations, right? And in the last chapter, guys, we have seen what is expression, what is polynomial, everything, correct or not? And what is identity and what is equation also. How many of you remember? I told you all the definition, right? I gave you the definition for all the terms, right? And let's start with linear equation. Linear equation is not a new word. It's something you have started with your 8th standard. Correct or not? How many of you remember
Yes,
that?
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
In your 8th standard. Okay. But the intro, right? Intro is always needed, right? Right. And we learned about linear polynomial, right? Anyone can tell me what is the definition of linear polynomial? In a polynomial, if the degree of the expression
Highest degree will be 1, right, sir?
highest degree, okay, the moment you say degree, it is nothing but highest power of the variable. What is that? The moment you say degree, it is highest power of the variable. You don't have to put one more highest degree, right? You can say highest power of the variable is called as degree. If the degree is equal to 1, then it's called as linear polynomial or linear expression. And when a linear expression will be equation, it's equated to some value, equated to some other linear expression. Bolo, and linear expression equated to other linear expression are constant, then it will become equation. It will become linear equation. And when you are naming a polynomial, what are the things you will consider? Anyone can tell me? You will consider degree,
Number of terms.
Guys, one more. When you are naming any polynomial, 3 things you need to remember. What are they? Degree, number of terms, then number of variables also. Clear or not? 3 things. The moment you see a polynomial, you should know. For example, if I put 2x, what you'll say? What you'll say? It's a linear polynomial. Correct or not? It's a linear polynomial. Why linear polynomial? Linear monomial, we can say. Linear monomial in one variable. Correct or not? The proper name is what? Linear monomial. Why linear? Because exponent is 1. Why monomial? Because only one term. Why one variable? Because only x is there. Crystal clear or not? If I put 2x plus y, what do you say, student? Anyone? How to name this?
Sir, linear binomial in 2 variables.
Excellent. Linear binomial in 2 variables, student. Right? Sir, why you are explaining? Since you know already polynomial, right? I'm explaining all those things, right? Our aim always what? Learning some unknown from a known. Right or not? That's a mantra, na? That's a fundamental mantra in all my classes. You will learn something, you are going to learn some unknown things in your life, but from a known things. Clear or not? It's always very important. Okay. Now let's come to that, student. Okay. So why it's needed? Everything, right? Why, what? Those things are very important. Now, guys, okay, you are going to your shop. Okay. Okay. And they said 1 kg apple, 1 kg apple, they put what? What you can say? No. You are going to, and you are buying not 1 kg apple, you are buying 5 kg apples today. 5 kg apples you are buying, and how much you are paying? Rupees 250. If I ask from this relation, can you tell me what is the rate of or cost of 1 kg apple is how much? How much
50 rupees.
50 rupees. So basically by seeing itself, you can see, right or not, 50 rupees, right or not?
Yes, sir.
The practical approach. No one wants to know. No one wants to know about mathematics. Even someone who never learned, never go to school, they also can answer for this. But why we are trying to convert this into mathematical approach? Because these kind of practical things will help you only. The situation is very simple. When the situation become complex, no, this is a dangerous fellow. For example, you are buying 5 kg apple, clear or not? You are paying 5 kg, sorry, you are buying 5 kg apple, and you paid, guys, you paid amount 500, and the shopkeeper returns you 200. Now, what is 1 kg? How much cost? How much does it cost for 1 kg? You understand the situation. Second situation is what? You are going to the shop. This time again you are buying 5 kg apple, and you are giving how much rupees to him? Rupees 500 to him, and he returns what? Rupees 200 to you. So now I am asking 1 kg apple how much? 1 kg apple how much? Guys, thinking lot.
40.
40 rupees. No. Think, student, you are going for a shop and you are paying 500.
I thought it was
Sir, 60 rupees.
60 rupees. Excellent. 60 rupees. 60 rupees. 1 minute. Right, sir. Right, sir. Right, sir. Right, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, students. Right. So, guys, the moment I increase the complexity, the practical situation may be little difficult. But I am sure, student, even in my mother, she doesn't know any maths. But she went to shop, she pays 500. If the shopkeeper returns 200, she will immediately say 1 kg is rupees 60. I'm wondering why you guys are taking this much time to answer. Okay, but this will not be a problem if you are converting into equation. What is that, sir? Let's take 1 kg apple is x. Can you form the equation for this? 1 kg apple is x means 5x. How much you are paying?
plus 250.
So from here you can find x equal to rupees 50. Here, can you consider as x? So can you form an equation? I say
X plus
5x
5x is
plus
equal to
200 includes rupees 500. Are you clear? 5 kg apple, extra 200 you are giving. That's why the shopkeeper returns you 200. Correct or not? The total, how much you give? 500. So guys, the moment you converting this into a mathematical form, the work is become very easy. Correct or not? Finally, guys, anyone can see that it's all becomes linear equation. Correct or not? A practical situation or a word problem finally converted into a linear equation. So here you know how to handle this situation. 200 will go that side. 300 x equal to what? 300 by 5, 60. So here you are finding x equal to 50. Here you are finding x equal to 60. Sometime, right? Guys, this is called as algebra. This is some practical situation. Sometimes we feel that, sir, this algebra is difficult, sir. I know 5 kg apple 250 means 1 kg 50, sir. But writing 5x equal to 250 means xc equal to 50. I'm trying to find difficult. Yes, that's true. But as I mentioned, this practical situation analyzing through your practical knowledge will help you only in the simple situation. When the situation is little difficult, yes, you need the support of algebra. Right or not? So guys, at least you understand that yes, linear equation we are applying in our day-to-day life. Okay, so can you tell me what is this equation? Why it's the equation? Because this linear polynomial equated to some other constant or linear expression. Then it's called as linear equation. Can you define that? This equation is what? Linear equation in One variable.
Variable.
Linear equation in one variable. Guys, now tell me, linear equation in one variable, finding answer is difficult? No, it's simple.
Sir, it's easy.
This is what you learn in your 8th standard. I'm slowly increasing the load. I'm slowly increasing the load. Okay. Now you are going to a shop. Okay. Maybe stationery shop. Which shop? Stationery. Okay. Stationery. 1 minute. I'll write big letter. Stationery job. So what you are going to buy? You are going to buy a pencil and pen student. Okay. I'll just assume that you are buying what? 3 pencil. 3 pencil. Rupees 18. Can you tell me what is the cost of 1 pencil?
6 rupees, sir.
Pencil 6 rupees. So 3 pencil is, if I say 18 rupees, 18 means you are okay to say what? 1 pencil is what? Rupees 6. Okay. Now you are going to buy the same shop. Okay. This time you are buying what? 3 pencil plus 2 pen. Okay. 3 pencil, 2 pen, and you are paying how much rupees? 1 minute. Just I'll assume some value. Okay. 3 pencil and 2 pen. Okay. 3 pencil and 2 pen. You are paying rupees 16. Can you tell me cost of 1 pencil and cost of 1 pen? Guess it. You can guess, student. 3 pencil, 2 pen, and you are paying how much rupees? 16 rupees. Maybe this is stationery shop 1. This is a cheating fellow. They are charging more. Okay, we can think like that. Okay. But this second shop, okay, the one you visited, na, this guy really good fellow. What? You are buying 3 pencil plus 2 pen for the rupees 16. Can you tell me cost of 1 pen and 1 pencil? Guys, just guess, na. No guessing at all.
Sir,
No
cost of 1 pen is 4 rupees, sir.
Cost of 1 pen is 1 pencil is 4 rupees or a pen?
Sir, pen.
Pen 4 rupees. Okay. Pencil.
No, sir. Pencil. Sorry, sir.
Pencil 4 rupees. Okay.
Pen 6.
Pen 6 rupees. I want total should be 16 student. So 12.
Pen 3.
So cost of pen is 2 rupees.
3 rupees. Correct or not? Because according to your calculation, here is 12 rupees. And here what, student? 3 means 6. Yeah. So this combination is correct. Correct or not? So you got, wow, super. 1 pencil, 1 pen. You got correct answer. Appreciate you. But guys, anyone can guess. This is the
No,
only
sir,
possibility.
we can't get right, sir.
Sir, pen is
This is
not
correct,
equal
na?
to 3 rupees, no, sir.
Guys, you see here, 3 pencil is what? 3 into 4, 12 rupees. Oh, okay. Yeah.
12
It's
plus.
not correct. It's not correct. So this
The
combination.
cost of 1 pen is 2 rupees, no, sir.
Sir,
It can
2
be like
rupees.
that.
Cost of 1 pen is 2 rupees. Okay, then it is fine.
Sir,
Correct or not?
pencil is 2 and pen is 5.
Okay, you wanted to say, but this combination correct or not? 1 pen is 2 rupees, mean 4 rupee, and this is correct. Yes, 16. This is one combination. Correct. Then yes, you said one more combination. Tell me, Shivani.
Sir, pen
What is
is
that?
5 rupees.
Pen
Pencil
five
is 2 rupees.
2 rupees. So guys, what you noticed? I'm okay to find the answer, but the answer is not 1. The answer is not 1. Many. Correct or not? The answer is not one. The
Yes,
answer
sir.
is so many. Can you tell me, sir, how many possibilities? I'm saying, student, if you try like this, infinite number of possibilities will be there. Means if it is X, but these two are combined. Okay, you cannot say this is 2, this is 2. No. If pen is 2, pencil should be 4. If pen is 5, pencil should be 2. Like this. Okay, you can think point answer also. So are you all agree? How many answer or how many possibilities I will get? Infinite number of possibilities. Sir, then what I can do? Sir? Then I want to find the answer. Out of this combination, which combination is correct? Whether this combination is correct or this combination correct? Is there any way? Guys, tell me. Is there any way? Is there any way?
Sir, both
I'm
are correct, sir.
Huh? I'm going to give a way, student. This time you are visiting the same shop number 2, because he is a very good fellow. Now he is giving cheaper price for us, right? You are going to buy 4 pencil this time, and you are going to buy 1 pen, and you paid rupees 13 to him. Can you tell me this time what is your pencil and pen? Quickly. How much? 1 pencil and 1 pen.
One pencil, three, and one pen is 1 rupee.
1 pen is 1 rupee.
Pencil is 3 rupees.
Pencil is 3 rupees. Okay. Okay. Then any other combination? Pen is 5 rupees. Pencil is 2 rupees. Will it work?
Yes, sir.
Give me one more possibilities. Give me one more possibilities. Because 1 pen, you can consider as what, student? 4 ones are. Pencil is 1 rupee, student. Pencil is 1 rupee. Pen will be what?
9 rupee.
9 rupees. Guys, how many possibilities again? Infinite number of possibilities. But what is your answer? Guys, you are visiting same shop 2 times, and you find that you bought 3 pencil, 2 pen, rupees 16, 4 pencil, 1 pen, rupees 13. And if you consider this scenario, so many answer. If you consider this scenario, so many answer. But there is one answer which is common between both. Can you tell me which combination?
5 and 2.
Yes, this combination is common. Now, guys, are you understand the problem? When there is only one unknown, you are able to find the answer easily. When there are 2 unknowns, don't say you cannot find the answer. I can find the answer, but the answer is not one. Infinitely many answer. I don't know what is my answer. This situation is called as indeterminate, which you will learn in your 11th standard. What is that? This situation is called as what? Indeterminate. Determinate means what, student? Find out. Indeterminate means I cannot find out. I have so many solutions. I cannot find out what is my solution. Are you crystal clear? So how to avoid the same situation? How to avoid the situation? You visit the same shop and you buy some other combination, and then compare that. You got the answer. So now question will come, sir, maybe you are writing only this combinations, or maybe you are putting dot, or maybe somewhere and somewhere maybe some other combination may be equal. It is impossible, my dear student. It is impossible. Only one combination is equal. Only one combination is always equal. Are you clear? Because the solution is unique. The solution is unique. Clear or not? So now you understand this a problem which I can find through the method is called as trial and error method. This method is called as what? Trial and error method. But do you think it's an effective method? Do you think it's an effective method to finding cost of 1 pen and 1 pencil?
No.
sir.
It is not effective method. It's not effective method. When the decimal is there, you have to guess lot of things. So mathematician think that how to convert this word or practical problem into a mathematical form. Then as usual, what they started? They started cost of one pencil. You just take it as cost of one pencil, take it as X. Cost of one pen, take it as Y. Anyone can convert this situation into equation. What is the first equation? Quickly, what is the first equation?
Yes, 2y equal to 16.
3x
X,
plus 2y is
2y
equal to
equal to
16.
16, 4x plus y equal to 13. Are you clear? Guys, this is what I am going to say. These are all linear equation only, correct or not? Linear equation. But not just one student. Why? One is not sufficient. When you have one unknown or one variable, you are okay. The moment linear equation in two variables, you cannot find the answer with one equation. You need pair of linear equation. Are you crystal clear? Your textbook is saying that pair of linear equation in two variable means you feel that, correct or not? Yes, one equation is not sufficient. I need pair of linear equation. Why is that pair of linear equation? Because those two are connected. I cannot go to some other shop number 3. I cannot form the equation. I cannot say that this answer is this. No, both are related, well related, right or not? You are visiting the same shop. Then only you can compare the price, correct or not? You are going to visit shop 1 and compare with shop 2. Will it work? No, it will not work. Are you clear? That's the reason you need not just one equation, pair of linear equation in two variables. So the moment you see two variables, the one equation is not sufficient. Why? One equation will give infinite number of answer. The situation is called as, anyone remember that? What is the situation I told you? No one responding. Are you listening or not, guys? Indeterminate. Infinite number of solution is called as infinite. Please remember, student, these kind of 1,000 videos will teach you solving linear equation. But please understand the concept, why it is pair of. Please understand. Everyone crystal clear or not about the introduction of this title? Pair of linear equation in two variables. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it. Right. Now we already know how to find the cost of one pen and one pencil using which method?
Trial and error method.
But which will it be effective? That method effective? Is it effective? No. We are going to see some other methods. Guys, someone annotating my screen. Don't annotate. Okay, I'll be clear and then disable the annotation, student. Right? So here you are going to learn solving linear equations in two variables, student. Solving linear equations in two variables. Solving linear equation one variable, Sir, where, sir, I have solved? Guys, you have solved, na? 3 pencil is 18 rupees, 1 pencil you said 6 rupees. That is nothing but linear equation, one variable. Correct or not? Here you solve, na? Linear equation, one variable. Here, everything one variable. But this situation only you are going to learn now. Okay. Now, what are the methods you are going to learn? What are the methods? Guys, in general, solving linear equation, two approach. One is geometric approach. One is what approach? What approach, student? Geometric approach. Geometric approach. Okay, geometric. Other one is algebraic approach. Algebraic approach. Okay. So under geometric, there is a method called graphical method. In what way? Which method? Graphical method. Under algebraic method, you are going to learn. How many methods you are going to learn? Guys, let's take the first one is called as great method is called as elimination method. No, first is substitution. Always first method they will use substitution method. Second method is called as elimination method. Third method is called as cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. And fourth method, Kramer's rule. And you can say one more is what? Trial and error, which is neither geometric nor algebraic. It is approach of practical approach. Correct or not? Guys, if this situation is given to you, some people, they don't know anything. They don't know anything in maths. What they will do? They will guess like this. Correct or not? They will put different combination here, different combination here. At last, they should know wherever they find the common combination, that is a solution, right? So that is also one of the, sir, guess methods shall I use? Guys, I'll teach you, sometime when you are writing some competitive exam, the trial and error method will help you, student, okay? But here it is not allowed, okay? Sir, what are things are in my 10th standard? Do you have this? Yes, you have this. Do you have this? Yes, you have this. Do you have? Yes. This also is there, but because of Corona, it's deleted. Do I have this? No, you don't have this, but still I'm going to teach you because it's very effective method for your 11th standard and 11th and 12th and JEE level. As I mentioned, when I'm teaching you guys, I'm not thinking you guys as my 10th standard. No, I'm thinking how are you going to approach all your 12th standard things also. Even guys, you are learning only 2 variables, but there is a situation you are going to buy what? 3 pencil, 2 pen, 5 erasers, you are paying some amount, and 4 pencil, 1 pen, 3 eraser, you are paying some amount. Do you think 2 equations sufficient? No. In that case, you need to visit the same shop once more by different combination, student, which means 1 variable, 1 equation, 2 variable, 2 equations you need, 3 variable, 3 equations you need, but your textbook is having only solving linear variable.
मैंने क्या नहीं दिया उसे, रोटी कपड़ा पैसा, ताली ने धोखा दे दिया तो उड़ा दिया.
Who is that? So guys, let me enable the waiting room. Who is that? Guys, please, right? Don't share the links with any third parties, right? Only if your friend, right? It's okay. Okay, no problem. Anyhow, I enabled the waiting room. Anyone else is here? Yes. Everything our student only. Okay, guys, no problem. No need to worry about that. Okay. So what do you understand? There are this method I'm going to teach you additionally, student. Kramer's rule, right? Are you all okay? Ready to learn all the methods? Guys, say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we will take the same situation, same equation, and we are going to solve. I'll teach you this last. I'll teach you all the things first, right, student? Okay. So what are things I'm going to take? First thing is this one, student. This only I'm going to take. Okay. Let me take this equation and I'll teach you. Okay. Now the time is around 8:15. So in 45 minutes, I will teach you all the method. Guys, the great thing is that the moment you understand all the method, conceptually the chapter is over. Conceptually, the chapter is over. This is a great about math, student. Clear or not? Okay. First method is what? Anyone remembers that? What is the first method?
Substitution method.
Yes, solve by Substitution method. Substitution method. Okay. So what is the mantra for substitution method, student? Where you are having coefficient equal to 1, that is your priority. So how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of these 4, in which equation, I'm calling it equation number 1, equation number 2, in which equation, which variable coefficient equal to 1?
Sir,
Quickly.
second equation and y.
Coefficient of y equal to 1. Are you clear? Yes. This is my key point, student. Where I need to start for substitution method? Where is my coefficient? More than one coefficient 1, then you can choose any one. If no coefficient 1, no coefficient 1,
We have to make the coefficients 1, right, sir?
yes, 1 minute. Yes, yes, I'll tell you. Okay. Some student is going out. So the moment we understand this coefficient equal to 1, yes, we will proceed. If not 1, no problem. The problem is going to be little difficult. That's all. Other than that, you are going to use the same method. Okay. We understand that second equation I am going to change in such a way y equal to 13 minus 4x. Clear? This is step number 1. Step number 1 is find where is my coefficient equal to 1 and find that equation and keep it as equation number 3. Are you clear? So which means what? I am finding that my y equal to 13 minus 4x. Are you clear? Now this method is saying what? Substitution method. Substitution method is what? You are going to substitute this value wherever y is there in the equation number 1 or 2. Can you tell me which equation I need to substitute?
Sir,
First
1.
equation,
One.
sir.
Can I put anyone? No, you should not put equation number 2. Why? Equation 3 you derived from equation 2. So you should substitute this value, must substitute in the equation number 1 only. So what is the next step? Substitute 3 in 1. Are you clear? 3 in 1. What I need to substitute are wherever y is there, substitute this. You see the magic, student. Why I'm substituting? Till now the question is answered, na? Sir, why you are converting this, all those things? You see the wait and see. Guys, 3x, 2 3s are 16, sir, 2 13s are 26, na? 26 minus 8x equal to 16. Can you tell me 3x minus 8x minus 5x? 26, if you bring that side, it will be minus 10. Can you tell me what is your x? 2. Why? What happened? When it was like this, you are not able to find the answer. The moment you substitute this value, you are able to find the value of x. The reason, the 2 variable. The moment you substitute equation 3 in 1, what's happening? The 2 variable become 1 variable. Correct or not? Here x and y is there, but what's happening here? Only x. The moment it's become linear equation 1 variable, you are applying same 8th standard max, solving it, and you are finding the answer. So substitution method eventually what? Eventually what? 2 variable to 1 variable. Agree with me or not? 2 variable to 1 variable. Sir, we don't know, sir, but we know how to solve the thing, sir. Guys, please understand, okay? Why we are doing, why this method, eventually what's happening in the method. Please understand. Only those students, if you are doing, no sir, I'm doing this, then the machine will do better than you. Then future, what's going to happen? A machine will replace you. Only why? That can be asked by the human beings. No machine can ask this question, correct or not? Why I'm doing this? Yes, because of this I'm converting 2 variable to 1 variable. Crystal clear or not? Now, what is the next I'm going to do? This is first substitution. Next substitution is you can substitute this x equal to 2 in equation number 3 to find the value of y. So substitute x equal to 2 in 3 Clear or not? Sir, why I'm substituting 3? Shall I substitute 1 and 2? Yes, you can substitute. But this is easy, na? Y is direct answer you will get. Correct or not? So y equal to 13 minus 4 into 2. Can you tell me 13 minus 8? The answer is 5. Now tell me,
5.
student, x equal to 2, y equal to 5, which means what? X equal to y equal to 5. It is crystal clear that one pencil is what? 2 rupees and one pen is 5 rupees. Are you getting the same answer with something you find out through trial and error method?
Yes, sir.
You feel it, right? Everything is feeling, student. Maths is practically can be proved. Physics is not like that. Physics, you need a lot of supporting devices. Clear or not? But here it's not like that. If everyone is crystal clear, shall I go to the next method? Shall I go to the next method? Say yes or no, quickly.
Yes, sir.
One answer. Yes. Guys, very important, okay? Now you are going to solve this using elimination method. What is the elimination method? So here also you are going to convert 2 variable to 1 variable. Here also you are going to convert 2 variable to 1 variable. No doubt on that. 2 variable to 1 variable. But what method you used 2 variable to 1 variable here? You are using substitution method. But here you are going to do the same work by using which method? Elimination method. Means I'm going to eliminate one variable. But what is the mantra you need now? For elimination, equal coefficient, different sign, and third step is addition. Guys, 3 things are very important. What is the mantra for elimination? Equal coefficient, different sign. Next is what? Perform addition. Are you clear? Equal coefficient, different sign, and perform addition will give you or will eliminate one variable. Sir, I didn't understand, sir. Guys, if I ask, you have 5. What you need to do to get the answer 0? Or what you need to do to eliminate this 5? You need to put
We have to
same
add
5.
-5.
This is plus, this is minus. Are you clear? If this is plus, this is minus. This is a mantra. Clear or not? Means what you are finding? Equal number, different sign. After that, what you performed? Addition. Are you clear? That is why I told these 3 steps. Are you clear? Whenever you have equal coefficient, different sign, when you perform addition, what will happen? That number will get cancelled. That number will get cancelled. Right or not? Everyone crystal clear or not? Are you crystal clear? Everyone, are you crystal clear? What is the rule or mantra for elimination method? Objective is what? I want to make an equal coefficient. Check that whether x or y are equal coefficient. No. Am I right or not? Someone please respond. Equal coefficient or not? They are not equal coefficient. Correct or not? So now the question is, how to make an equal coefficient? Sir, shall I forcefully make? Yes, it's allowed. Equation will allow. You can make this guy 4 or this guy 3, or you can make this guy 1 or this guy 2. I'm leaving the decision to you with really what is easy. This you have to decide. That judgment is very important. Guys, tell me which coefficient making equal is easy. No answer? Shivani, don't you know the answer? Which coefficient making equal is easy? Shivani, Shri, Vaishnavi, Harsh.
Sir, y coefficient.
Y.
Y coefficient.
Y.
Excellent. Making y coefficient, making equating this y coefficient equal because this guy 1. So this coefficient of 1 is really a super fellow student. Whenever you have this, yes, you are all fortunate. Yes. Equation 1, I'm not going to do anything. I'm putting 3x plus 2y equal to 16. And equation number 2, I'm going to multiply by 2. Why, sir? I want to put equation number 2 here. But equation will not allow. Equation, what it will say? You can put 2 here, but same multiplying 2 here every term. Then only what equation will say? The balance will be maintained. Correct or not? Then only equation will say, okay. Okay, if you want a green signal from equation, you have to multiply 2 with every term. So 4x will become 8x. And 2y and 13 will become what, student? 26. Is it crystal clear or not? You need equal coefficient. What is next step? Whether the sign are equal sign or different sign. Wow, it's equal sign, but I want a different sign. Sir, what can I do? No matter equation, what it will say. You can change the sign for one term, what according to your wish, but the same work you have to do for everything. Yes, I did that. Now it's a time. What is the third step according to my mantra? Equal coefficient you made, difference you made. Now perform addition. Guys, now what is the answer? If you perform addition, it's minus 5x. If you perform addition, what will happen? It will get cancelled. That's the reason we are doing all the things. For eliminating this value only, we are doing all the things. Minus 10. So now tell me x equal to. Is it crystal clear or not, everyone? Finding x equal to 2. So here also, if you ask me, we convert 2 variable into 1 variable equation and finding the answer. So objective is what? 2 variable to 1 variable. Whether you are using substitution method or elimination method is according to your wish. According to your wish. But trust me, student, elimination method widely used by in the higher classes. Everyone will use elimination method only. Substitution is not much compared with elimination. After this, how are you going to find y? How are you going to find y?
Substitution method.
Substitution method. Sir, shall I use one more elimination method? Yes, you can use one more elimination method. What you can do? You equated y and you find x. You equate x and find y. This is one way. But instead, the moment you know x, you can go for substitution method. That's why substitution method, pure substitution method, whereas the elimination method is what, student? Half elimination method, and the rest of the half is what? It's same as substitution method. Are you clear? Same as substitution method. So you can use substitute x equal to 2. Don't say in 3, because in this equation you find 1, 2, 3. But here you don't have 3. You have only 1 or 2. Which equation is easy? Can you tell me equation 1 are easy or 2 is easy?
Sir, second equation.
Second equation is easy. So now tell me 4x instead of x, if you substitute 2 plus y equal to 13. So now tell me y equal to what? 13 minus 8, 5. Is it really great or not? You are finding same value using elimination method also. Any doubts? Quickly, guys. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No doubt. Yes, everyone. Everyone, others.
Clear,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
Clear. Yash, are
Yes,
you
sir.
clear? Yash, you initiated this. Are you clear? Megul, Harsh, Priya,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Crystal.
appreciate it. Good. Good. So now you decide whether substitution method is easy or elimination method is easy. I'm leaving the decision to you. But as I mentioned, this is the one. I think more than 90% of people you will use this only when you are going to the higher classes. Now I'm going to teach you what? Third method is what? Third method is what? No one remembers that. What is the
Cross
third method?
multiplication.
Excellent, cross multiplication. But actually what? Actually what? It got deleted. Okay. But it's a super method. I can say that. Why? Because you don't need to worry anything. I'm going to give you some formula, student. If you apply that, your answer is ready. I'm going to give you some formula. If you apply it, you are done. So are you willing to know that formula? But you should know the formula. Basically, I don't like to remember the formula. If you are okay, yes, you can. So even I also don't know. Let me take the formula from some website. 1 minute. Here is your formula for elimination. So condition, and this is the formula. Why am I altering? Because I don't have a space to. Okay. Yes. Done. So nothing. You just follow the rule, what they said. According to the rule, you are going to find out 3 different values from equation number 1, 3 different values from equation number 2. What are they, sir? In equation number 1, what? A1, B1, C1, and equation number 2, A2, B2, C2. So A1 is what, sir? It's deleted. Do I need to know? Guys, learning is not just for scoring student. Okay. So learn it just 5 minutes now. It is not going to take more. So A1 equal to 3, B1 equal to 2, C1 equal to 16 or minus 16. Anyone can tell me? 16 or minus 16? Quickly.
Minus 16, sir.
Yes, why? According to the formula, the C1 on the left hand side, but here on the right hand side, you don't want to move. Just when you are writing the value, put minus 16. That's all. So this is important condition if you want to going to use the cross multiplication method, that constant everything on the one side. Now what is the second equation? A2 is what? 4. B2 is what? 1. C2 is what? 13. Clear or not? Now what is my x, sir? B1 C2. What is that? You see here B1 C2, B1 C2. So 2 13s are 26 minus what is the next one? B2 C1 this way. What is this? 16 minus 16 into 1 is what? Minus 16. Correct or not? Upon what is this, student? Anyone can tell me? A1 B2 A2 B1. Correct or not? Now you guys understand why it's called as cross multiplication method, right? We are multiplying cross way, correct or not? Yes or no? Everyone thinking?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Yes. Now minus A2 B1 8. Any doubt? Any doubt? If you forgot this formula also, if you remember this thing, whatever I explained, you can apply it, correct or not? So now tell me 26 plus 16, which answer is what? 32, 42, na? Is correct or not? 42 minus, no, something wrong. I think I did something wrong. Can you find out what is the mistake? Anyone? Wow, wow, this is minus, na, guys. C2 is minus. I forgot totally. Wow. Guys, it's very important, okay? You should be very careful, okay? So now tell me, this is minus 26 and this is correct only. This is minus 16. What will happen? Can you tell me? This is minus 10. Am I right or not? And this is minus 5. What do you answer you are getting? 2. Are you getting the same answer? This is a question. X equal to.
Yes, sir.
It's a great method. But the problem is you should know this. So this problem does not, you need to verify whether the equal coefficient, different sign, coefficient equal to 1. Guys, nothing you need to verify. Directly apply this formula, your answer is ready. Are you clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes,
please respond. Everyone trying to learn, okay?
Yes, sir.
You are realizing, just feel it. Yes, this method. Shall I use this method? Even though it's deleted, you can very well use. You can very well use any method for solving the linear equation, provided if they ask you to use substitution method forcefully, then you cannot use any other method, not only this method. that particular method only use. But if they didn't force you, you can use any method, including this method. Now this guy is what? You see the denominator, both are same. So I don't want to waste my time. I'll write directly 3 minus 8. What is in the numerator? Here changes. You see here.
Okay, sir.
C1,
Reshare your.
A2. What, Ash?
I think you have to reshare your screen, sir.
No. It's visible or not, everyone?
I think you have to like reshare because it's not visible. It has turned black.
Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
On
I'm
my,
reshare. Okay, maybe you, but others are not reported. Okay. Now you are able to see or not?
no, sir. I'm not able to see.
Others?
It's visible, sir.
Able to see, sir.
Well, okay, maybe some internet issue from your end.
Like remember last class also I had this issue.
Yeah, I reshared. I just now reshared, Yash. Okay. Okay. You want me to reshare once more? I stop sharing, then I'm sharing once more. Yeah, I reshared. Okay, done. Now, what is in the numerator? C1A2. You see here how the cross multiplication. C1A2. Anyone knows that? 4 16s are minus 64. Now C2A1, you see here, it's coming here. It's minus 39. But again, minus of minus, it is plus. It will become plus actually. Guys, can you tell me 3 minus 8? It is minus 5. Can you tell me what is the answer? Minus 64 plus 39. What is the answer? Minus 25. Right or not? The answer is 5. Are you getting the same answer? The one you get it from substitution method, elimination method, including trial and error method. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Leaving the decision to you, what method you are going to use. Let's go to the next method, the fourth method. What is that?
Cramer's rule.
Cramer's rule. Yes, Cramer's rule. So this formula, you will learn Cramer's rule in your 11th standard. Okay. There is a chapter called determinant. What is that? Determinant. Okay. There you will learn this formula, student. Okay. Then why I'm introducing now? Because it's a very good formula. Okay. Like your Cramer's rule, sorry, cross multiplication. This also same formula only, but not, you don't need to remember any formula. Directly answer. Directly answer. Okay. So Yash joined or not? Hello, Yash.
Yes, sir. I joined, sir. I'm able to see your screen now.
Right. Okay.
Yes,
so guys, what is x mean? Dx by d. What is y mean? Dy by d. So what you need to finally understand, you should know what is dx, what is d, what is dy. Again, the same d. So 3 different things you are going to learn. Let's learn what is dx. Dx is nothing but, I'll teach you what is d first. I'll teach you what is d. D means write x coefficient, I y coefficient. That's all. 3, 4, 2, 1. I'll tell you how to find the answer. How to find the answer? Very simple, student. Cross multiplication. 3 into 1 is what? 3. 4 into 2 is what? 8, but minus 8. Guys, everyone knows that these are all called as diagonals. These are all called as diagonals. But this diagonal is called as what? Anyone knows that? It's called as principal diagonal. This is called as principal diagonal, and this is called as second diagonal, secondary diagonal. So first multiply principal diagonal 3 minus multiply second diagonal. If you know this technique, yes, this is the one you are going to use the entire chapter called determinants. Okay, are you clear how to deal with this box? You are learning first time means please understand this, how to deal with this. Can I have yes or no, everyone? How to deal with this? Right, 3 minus 8. Done. So you got d first. Now I'm going to teach you how to find dx and dy. Dx, student, this is actually x component, na? 3, 4 is nothing but x component. In x, instead of this guy, use this value. What is that? 16, 13, and 2, 1. Are you clear? In the d, instead of x value, you are going to substitute this guy. That's all. Now what is the rule? Same rule. What is that? 16 minus this value is what? 26. What is the answer? Minus 10. Khatam, over. Then what is dy? Anyone can guess what is dy? Who can form according to the rule what I explained for dx? In dx, instead of x, you are putting the constant. In dy, instead of y, you are going to put this constant. Okay, means first value as it is 3, 4, and instead of the this value, you are going to
16 by
put
3.
13. Then how to find the value? That's very simple now. 13 into 3,
Sir, is it
39.
25?
What is that?
Is it 25?
No, I'm going to do. Let me check. Okay. So this answer is what? 14 6 or what? Minus 64. The answer is minus 25. Are you
Sir,
clear?
but
Everyone?
minus 16 minus 13 will come, no, sir.
No, principal diagonal minus second diagonal. That's a formula. The formula is multiply the principal diagonal minus second diagonal. So principal diagonal is what? 39 minus 64. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. So guys, you got dx dy. Now according to the formula is what? X equal to dx by d and y equal to dy by d. So x equal to dx by d. So what is the answer? Dx is what? Minus 10 by minus 5. What is the answer you will get?
2.
2. And y equal to what? Dy by d, which is equal to what? Minus 25 upon
5.
minus 5. So the answer is 5. So guys, tell me, Grammar's rule, same as your cross multiplication only, but here you don't want to learn any new formula. And the great thing is that you will apply in 11th and 12th 100 times the same kind of boxes. So you are learning something you want to know. In your 11th standard, you are learning now itself. Crystal clear or not? Fourth method, crystal clear or not? This method is called as Grammar's rule.
Sir,
Any
in
doubt?
this rule, there is no need for us to transpose 16 and 13 to the other side. no,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah, you are right. In this rule, this constant should be on the right hand side. It should be on the right hand side. Okay. Only in cross multiplication method you are transposing here. Any doubt? Any doubt from anyone?
No,
You
sir.
can remember this box, but instead of do you need to remember this box like this? No, I think the way I explained is more than easy now. You don't need to remember the box, right? The d means what? Only this value. Dx means what? Instead of x, you will substitute here. And dy means what? Instead of y, you will substitute this. Other than that, how to deal with the box? Principal diagonal minus second diagonal. Answer is ready. X equal dx by d, y equal dy by d. Your answer. No need to worry what kind of coefficient you are going to have. Same like Grammer cross multiplication, Grammar's rule is one of the great method. Can I have yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Appreciate it. Good student. What is the fourth method? Sorry, fifth method. What is the fifth method?
Trial and error method.
Huh? Trial and error we already seen. That's all. Algebraic way is done, student. Algebraic method done. I told you one more method is what? Graphical method. But that is not new, student. In 9th standard, you learned graphical method only. I'm going to teach you that also. No need to worry. Right, student? No need to worry. I'll teach you how to deal this same scenario in the graphical representation. So this I can call it as method 5. Solve this equation. The question will be graphically. Okay, means geometrically. Correct or not? Don't think that geometry and graph both are different. It's same. Okay, geometrically or graphically. Okay, guys, what we need to do? Graph means all you need to know: x-axis and y-axis. And one more thing, do you remember that any polynomial, if you represent in geometrically, it will create a nice diagram, student. In that way, linear equation will give straight line, and that's the name reason why we are calling this as a linear equation. Else it's actually degree 1 equation. Else you have to call this as a degree 1 equation. But still you are calling as a linear equation because if you represent the geometric graphical representation of this equation is going to be a straight line. That's the reason it's called as linear equations. Start. First, if you want to plot them into a graph sheet, all you need what? All you need what? Plotting points you need. All you need plotting points. Plotting points mean what? X coordinate and Y coordinate. What are the best 2 points? I'm going to say the student. Okay. Take the first equation. Take the first equation. The best plotting points are put X equal to 0 and find the value of Y. If you put X equal to 0, what is Y, student? 2Y equal to 16 and Y equal to 8. Am I right or not? Then put Y equal to 0 and find X. If you put Y equal to 0, this term is gone. So 3X equal to 16. So 16 by 3. But this is not a very good point, I believe. Okay, because it will come, what, student? It will come approximately 5.3. Am I right or not? It will come approximately 5.3. Okay, let's go to, no problem. Let's go to the second equation. 4x plus y equal to 13. So same mantra, what is that? Put x equal to 0. What is your y? 13. If you put x equal to 0, whole term is gone. Then y equal to 0, you will get x equal to 13 by 4. And this is approximately what? 3 point, then again 1 will come 0. So approximately 3.2. Can I have yes or no, everyone? Can I have yes or no? The plotting point 0, 8, the plotting point 0, 5.3 is correct or not? The plotting points are correct or not? Correct or not? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, something wrong. Guys, who can tell me what is the wrong? What is the wrong?
5.3,
5.3,
Yeah.
0.
Yes, please remember always x on the first. Okay, so what is the plotting point here? 0, 13. What is the plotting point here? 3.2, 0. But why you are selecting this forcefully, sir? Guys, these are all great points where this is called as x-intercept, y-intercept. You will learn part of your straight line in your 11th standard, student. Okay, the same thing will continue. Same thing will continue, called as straight line equation, and you will say x-intercept, y-intercept, slope. So many things you will learn, student. Okay, here you are just learning representation, nothing more. Okay, so all you need to know, this is, I can say, very good point. This is, I can say, very good point. This is also okay, not that much worst point, but I'll tell you, how to handle that scenario also. Now, guys, see that. Okay, I'm going to draw the graph. Okay, please understand, is there any negative value in x and y? The equation that you find, any negative value? No negative value, correct or not? All are positive. The moment all are positive, guys, your answer is going to be everything in the first quadrant. Guys, do you know in 8th standard onwards you are learning this is first quadrant, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. But no values are here. That's why I'm keeping my first quadrant is larger area. Correct or not? Why I'm choosing larger area for first quadrant? That's the reason. So this x and y, very important. You have to mark everything properly. And this is the origin. Now is the time you have to decide. Shall I mark it as 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, or something different? That you have to decide by using what is the minimum value of x. Minimum value of x is 0. What is the maximum value of x? Anyone can tell me? 0, 5.3, 0, 2.3. Sorry, 3.2. What is the maximum value? 5.3. So shall I mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sir, why, sir? Why you are looking? If at all my maximum value is 20, means I cannot keep 1, 2, 3, 4. I should make it as 2, 4, 6 like that. So according to the maximum value, you have to decide your scale. Now coming to y, student, what is the maximum value of y? 8, 0, 13, 0. What is the
13.
maximum value? 13. So in your graph sheet, you can keep it as 1, 2, 3, but I am going to keep it as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, because my maximum is 13. Are you crystal clear? Then you will write the scale. Guys, everything is important. In x-axis, 1 cm equal to 1 unit. Correct or not? 1 unit. In y-axis, 1 cm equal to what? 2 units. Important. If you miss this, you will lose a mark. Please remember, okay? The moment you are going to solve anything through graphically, everything is important, right? Start putting the first point, 0, 8. Where is that? Here, your first point. Second point is what? 5.3, 0. See here. So you understand that why I'm choosing this point? Because plotting the points also easy. One is on the x, other is on the y. Are you clear? When your x is 0, the point should be on the what? Y-axis. When your y equal to 0, the point should be on the x-axis. That's all. Now coming to the second equation. What is second equation? 0, 13. 0, 13 is here. What is the next one is? 3.2, 0. So approximately here. You have to mark the point, student. Okay. Right or not?
Yes,
Right
sir.
or not? Then, guys, you after drawing that, please mention what is this point. At least 4 points, student. I'm not finding like in your school. Normally, they will teach the table, big table. Correct or not? Do you remember that? They will teach the table,
Yes,
but
sir.
here nothing. Easily I'm making. The work is very simple. Okay. All you need to do, please mark the equation on top of that. This equation, can you tell me what is that? It is 3x plus 2y equal to 16. What is this equation? 4x plus
y equal to
13. Mark the equation. Okay. Then plotting point. After that, guys, it is getting intersected at a point. Are you seeing that? And that point of intersection is your solution. If you join here, the magic will be started. What is it is getting intercept? X equal to 2, y equal to, between 4 and 6 is what?
5.
You guys please understand that I am not drawing in the graph sheet. Just by using rough values, the rough value itself is giving the correct answer. Means when you are doing this in the graph sheet, this point of intersection, maybe you can call it as A. A is the point of intersection, POI, and that is your solution. What is that? X equal to y equal to 5. Are you okay? Guys, all 5 different methods, including trial and error method, 6 different methods I taught you today. Are you clear? All are giving same result.
Yes, sir.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
This is the way you have to learn, student. Okay. Sir, I'm not following as per your textbook. Correct or not? I'm taking one example from the beginning concept and you understand all 5 techniques, not 6 techniques thoroughly. Clear or not? This is the way. Now, sir, anything else is there, sir? No. As I mentioned, solving linear equation, 3 variables are there. That I'll teach you as a bonus because that will come in your 11th standard, but no teacher are going to teach. Are you clear? Everyone crystal clear or not? What is linear equation? I'll go here again. Okay. So where we started? We started with a small example with the linear equation, 1 variable. Then I shown the problem. You are buying 3 pencil, no problem. But when you are buying 3 pencil, 2 pen, you are not able to find the answer because so many answers. To avoid that, you are going to create one more situation. You are visiting the same shop and you are buying a different combination and you are getting the answer. Now, which combination basically is common between both scenario? That's called as your solution. That method is called trial and error method, but that method is not effective method. That's why we are converting this situation into 2 linear equation. So linear equation in 2 variable, and we understand that whenever linear equation 2 variable, 1 equation is not sufficient. Always you need pair of linear equation. That's why it's called as pair of linear equation 2 variables. Then we learn what are the different techniques you are going to have. One is geometric approach, then algebraic approach, under algebraic approach, substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication, Cramer's rule. and we learn all different techniques. Then at last, geometrical also, how to solve the linear equation. So basically, 1 minute. Same equation, 1 minute. Ketan sir? Yes, sir. Sir, 9:30. Sir said we need to join at 9:30. 9:30. Sir's meeting at 9:30. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right, sir. Link 1, sir. Link 1. Link 1, sir. Link 1, join at 9:30. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, call me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Meeting at 9:30. Yes. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Right, guys. Then we come to know what we learn. Ketan sir. Link 1, sir. Link 1. Okay, sir. Guys, then we learned first technique is substitution method. What is the root mantra we have used? All objective is 2 variable to 1 variable, but the best thing you have to choose what? Where is my coefficient equal to 1? Yes, you have chosen and you solve. Means basically what you did. From this equation, you form one more equation, third equation, and you are substituting into other equation. Because of that, 2 variable become 1 variable, and you find one answer. Then you substitute into 3, you are getting other variable. So are you clear? Substitution method. Then we are coming to elimination method. There also same mantra, 2 variable to 1 variable. But what is the mantra? Equal coefficient, different sign, perform addition. This result cancellation of 1 variable. And then we are using substitution method for finding other variable. Then cross multiplication method is a purely, I can say, a formula method. Just remember this formula. Answer is ready. Remember this formula. Answer is ready. Ketan sir. What is the question, Megul?
2 and 5 came how?
Yeah, that's the point of intersection. So if you bring this join here, you are getting x is 2. And if you bring connect to y axis, you are getting your y. So basically, what is this point? If I ask, you will say 2, 5. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is your solution, right? So
Yes, sir.
all 5 different techniques, crystal clear or not? Everyone, please confirm, then leave the meeting. I think I took some extra time, but still, I think you learn a great things today, students. Everyone clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir,
Solve
it's
the,
clear, sir.
yes, we will solve the advanced problem in the next class. Okay,
Thank
take
you,
care.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. Good night. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good night. Priya, Yash, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Right. Okay. Bye-bye.